Were you here at the beginning when the fire started?
Yes.
Okay, what happened? Yes. Can we just talk about this? What happened?
I think I don't even say anything about this, but according to what I see today,
what actually happened? What caused the fire?
I think there is someone who caused this problem. There is someone who is caused this problem to make this fire inside the
Why would somebody start a fire like this?
That guy is someone who that situation somehow, and you don't know.
Yatanga kuwai fire. Yatanga kuwai.
Ayatanga kuma 5.
Kuma 5.
Yes.
From 5 up to now, it has been burning.
It has been raging. Yes.
And was there a quick response from City Council?
City Council
from Fire Brigade?
Yes. Yatrea kutibatsira, but there is according to the situation iripo. Pana uzokwanisa kubatsirika zvakanaka because moto wacho wanga watova heavy. Zvekutodaro because kwakune mhepo iriko nesituation iriko ndo mawani.
So mhepo nesituation and panopindika here inside where the source of the fire is. Parikupindika
hazviite kuti papindike because mhepo iriko ka nezviri kutoitika zvitomboite ende vakomana havakwanisi kuti vapinde ipapo, but chakatokosha kuti vaavoide kuti isazokonekta imwe complex, so that
isazopatidza imwe complex.
We have got the nearest service station after it. We have got
there is a service station Paduza.
The thing is to avoid isasvika kuchi
service station because that can cause a disaster. It can actually cause death.
Exactly.
Hey, this is a very serious situation.
Kanzuri inofana kunga mota dzakawanda.
More water is needed, you think?
Exactly. Haifani kunga mota mbiri sezvaita pekutanga.
How many fire
pekutanga pauya mota mbiri. But dzimwe padzazoya ka. It was too late because vanga ifana kuya ka 1 vachinopanja masaidi yese. From back zese wokavha zvese so that hapazokwanisi kunge pachidi pachizoparara like zviri kuitika ivo pachavo havachakwanisi kuti vachitozozviavoida nekuti panonoka kureaction yavo yaita shoma. Vaita reaction yakanaka but mota dzavaunza ishoma zvazvinoendera nezviripo,
so they just need to add 1 or 2 more.
Square saying Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zoom Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana karikitanga kukuya panino channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana uchingoka roka subscribe, don't forget to comment and share this video. Nazimere Zimbabwe takwigirai nyaya yaitika kumbare musika uko waita moto washamisa vanhu vazhinji, moto wapisa zvinhu mu the informal sector market hub muHarare. Kwa usinovera mushi mure Zimbabwe unofunga pari mavideo zakusekulira mastreets social media buda moto uyu uchibvira moto urunzi watanga kuma 5 makuseni ende urunzi watora nguva kuti waniko uchidzima zvinewo zvirunzi hapana akuvara kana afa, asi vanhu vazhinji varasikirwa nezvinhu zvavanga vachitengesa. Ndofunga mangunzo audio iyo yabuda in Eyewitness aona moto uchitanga achiinterviewa neThe Newsworks achitaura iye achiti vanga vachityira kuti moto unokuenda kusave station uputika zvinokwanisa kukwadza kana kuuraya vanhu. So nyaya yakubuditswa neThe Newsworks on their X handle vachitaura vachiti a devastating fire gutted Mbare Musika, the informal sector market hub in Harare, in the overcrowded high density area in the capital, leaving a trail of destruction in its blazing wake. Flames engulfed shacks and market stores, fueled by steel, wooden structures as well as inflammable materials used to build the shanty suburbs dwellings. Resembling a mini nuclear or volcanic explosion, the blaze emitted thick black smoke which billowed into the air, obscuring visibility across the township in the western direction. Explosions of combustible materials, embers and sparks were seen and heard as they exploded and danced in the wind, spreading the fire. People scrambled to escape and salvage their belongings, with some carrying huge bags on their heads and in carts used to transport and to walk goods in the vast market, with others helping those in need amid roaring flames and crackling wood. Shattering glass and crumbling structures lay around, while panic-stricken screams and cries for help were occasionally yelled. Mbare, probably the most famous informal market in Zimbabwe, was left lying in Rambo, a scene of destruction and chaos as people tried to escape, while some gathered to help or just witness the conflagration. Shacks were reduced to ashes, replacing people and leaving families homeless, while their livelihoods were burnt down. Witnesses said the fire started around 9 p.m., but they did not know the cause of the blaze. The witness on the scene, Otaura Zvaitika, told the Newsworks, "We really don't know what caused fire, but I've never seen anything like this in Mbare for the past 30 years I've been living here. We only heard the fire was caused by candlelight. People use candles in this area as we usually doesn't have electricity from 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. This area is also overcrowded and any incident of fire can easily spread. There are lots of combustible materials in these dwellings here, and that makes this place susceptible to fire outbreaks." Another Mbare resident, Inzwai Eyewitness, said the damage of the property and displacement of people was massive. "It's a disaster. I don't even know where I will go tonight. My family has lost everything. We've lost our dwelling, all the goods that we buy and sell to make a living, and our belongings," said Charles Gomo, one of the witnesses. "The impact is very serious. Apart from destruction of property and lost livelihoods, just imagine the trauma and psychological distress on those affected. This is shocking. Emergency services, that is the fire brigade, water provision, and others RRS City Council hands-on services were at the scene as the firefighters battled the blaze. 2 fire tenders were deployed to the scene, but they ran into problems with water shortages. A huge crowd gathered, blocking movement and difficulties of maneuvering in the teeming high-density area. RRS City Council spokesperson Stanley Gama, who was at the scene, said, "This is a critical situation, and as you can see, the fire brigade is doing all it can to douse the fire. They were here at the earliest time possible and have been battling the blaze for hours. However, the fire tenders have no capacity to carry adequate water to overcome this blaze immediately. They have to keep on going back and forth to fetch water, so it will take time to put the situation under control. There's also the challenge of crowds and shanty structures here, which makes it difficult to maneuver. Police need to help to control crowds and people's movement to allow firefighters to do their work unimpeded. Investigations into fire's cause will follow after the blaze has been extinguished and people and goods rescued. We are doing all we can and quickly ensure this emergency is under control and people are helped." Ndozvabuda zvitaurwa reZimbabwe neNewsworks. Tisingaziva kuti munona sei nyaya yetudzi zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mucomment section.